It's Alyssa's surprise toy review. Hi guys, I got these Noms yogurt packs and they're series 2 and you can get stamps and lip gloss.
Or either or, right?
Yeah.
And this lip gloss smells
So,
divine.
let's open these up.
Alright.
Here.
Is it hard to open?
No. These are for me.
Oh, that looks easy.
Ooh.
Oh, wait.
Here's a blind bag. Also, you have a checklist. Ooh. No. There. The checklist. Folding. Yay. Which Noms can I get?
Oh, this is all the Noms you can get, right?
Yeah. Noms. Guys, do you know that? Look, there's a Num right here that smells like a candy cane.
Can you show me? Nice.
Ooh! You can get the special editions too. Look, there's Mama Corn.
Good. Very gentle and carefully.
Oh my goodness!
What is it?
Oh my goodness! It is like white frosting on it.
This is the first one we got. And do you think it's a stamp or lip gloss?
A lip gloss. Let's open this box. Lip gloss.
Ooh, what does it smell like?
Oh, that definitely smells like mint.
Mint?
Yeah.
I also think it's something minty.
Yeah, minty.
Minty. Okay, let's see the other one.
Let's see this Num pack. Here's the Num pack.
What is
It's
it?
watermelon! We got a stamp.
Oh.
Oh my god!
Oh. Oh, this is so cute. We're gonna take the plastic off.
Watermelon.
Oh.
It's sticking out.
Yeah. Okay. Let's smell it.
Guys, I realized this was a cucumber
Gloss off, right?
yeah, gloss.
And then this one you got is a stamp.
It's kind of hard. Oh, that was
It's okay. It's okay. Looks like a minty leaf.
yeah.
Okay, let's put a stamp on it and see how it works. A Nom stamp, minty leaf. Oh,
It's a I think I got a special edition.
oh no!
Yes, I think.
Oh!
Give me the chocolates right away.
Okay, wait. Let's see what it is first.
It's a cute waffle.
Ooh, what?
Look, this must be like the biggest waffle ever. I said waffle.
Yeah. Ooh, why is it so sad?
Oh, let's see the lip gloss.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's pink. Must be like a raspberry flavor.
Okay, let's look at the checklist.
Mommy, did you realize there's a bite on the checklist?
Who took a bite of the checklist? And then wait, this is what we got. This is berry waffles, and it's so sad. There's a special edition we got.
Yeah.
Okay, let's smell that lip gloss.
Yeah. Open it, Clara. See,
What does it smell like? It's okay. What does it smell like?
it smells nice.
Smell it.
Oh, that smells like raspberry.
Oh, it looks like berries, right? That's why it's called berry waffles.
Let's see what this one is. Yeah. It's a new one.
New one?
Who is this? This must be a hamburger.
Hamburger?
Yeah.
Whoa! Let me see that hamburger. Wait, is he sleeping? Oh.
No, just like this guy.
Oh, like a little sad. Oh, he's sleeping. Can you turn him around? I want to see the lettuce and tomatoes and cheese. Whoa, and a little tail in the back. Why?
Let's smell it. It smells like ketchup, Mom.
You serious?
Yeah.
Ah, because it's a burger. That makes sense. Can I
Yes.
smell it? Wait guys, I just smelled it and Alyssa thought it was ketchup. It is a bubblegum smell. What are you?
Mommy, because it's not pink, it matters.
Oh, it's kind of pink. I guess it's just a little different. Okay, so let's open the next one.
Let's see who this is. It's cotton candy. It's blue cotton candy. Blue cotton candy. Blue cotton candy. There.
Oh, okay. Let's put it next.
Mommy, there's like a cone on the head, so everybody knows it's cotton candy.
It looks so cute. Next, the Slippin' Burger.
Mommy, can you do one of the yogurt cups there? I have to relay something. Guys, did you know that this one here, look, was on the box?
Oh, that's right. And it's called Sugar Puffs.
Yeah, wait, is it purple under it?
Let's see. Oh, purple!
It is purple. It smells like grape.
Or cotton candy.
It can't be cotton candy, okay?
Okay.
No cotton candy ones.
Alright.
It actually smells like jam and berry.
Yeah. Okay, so last one. Do you think we're gonna get a stamp or lip gloss?
Stamp probably.
We only got one step so far.
Ooh, we have a apple.
Apple? Do you know the name of this apple?
No.
Oh, okay. Let's look
Wait,
it up.
think it is a sweet. No, it's not an apple. It's a sweet. I know what this apple is called. This is actually a apple.
Oh yeah, you could make a cinnamon apple cheesecake with it. It's part of the recipe. We got any apple and then you can make this stack up cinnamon apple cheesecake.
It smells like cola.
Cola?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't like it, right?
It smells like poop. You should have called it poop.
That smells like Coca-Cola.
No, it smells like poop.
What? We forgot to smell all of them, Alyssa, the top.
Yeah, the top.
Okay, let's put this back on.
It smells like an apple core.
Okay. Interesting smell.
It smells like cotton candy.
Ooh.
It smells like a sandwich.
Sandwich?
No, a poop sandwich.
What is that?
It smells like a berry. It smells like a berry block.
Yeah. And this one?
It smells like a minty watermelon.
Ooh. And last?
It smells like a
Cucumber?
sugar cookie.
Sugar cookie?
Yeah.
Alyssa, what is your favorite one?
The cotton candy one.
Yeah, that smells delicious.
Goodbye, everybody. Noms, bye.
Bye. Oh my god.